Hello, number 7. I am Carmen Celita Ureña Garay. In the end 2020, I went to Mexico on the Starry Exchange. I lasted 2 semesters and married Larry people in the visit in the metropolitan Decatur, Mexico City. During my story, I met some friends. They encouraged me chili and nachos and made the free time. I tried typical food and traveled by the train which made my connect with the more fun. During this time, my family came to visit and me, and then I had my best vacation ever traveling to Cancun with my family. We stayed at the beautiful hotel near Park, which enjoyed the stunning sunset every night. Every morning we swim in the crystal clear and Laura explored different places. One day we visited Chichen Itza, where we're learning about the ancient Mayan civilization. The experience was unforgettable because we also swam in a cenote for the first time at the night. We tried some delicious Mexican food like tacos and tamales. The treat was amazing and that treat was that always remember to one of the best moments of my life.